Hello all, and thank you for watching Back 48 EV. This week we'll be going out to Windrock OHV Park in Oliver Springs, Tennessee. Established in 1872, Windrock Land Company, formerly known as the Coal Creek Company, used this area for coal mining. In the 2000s, the area was officially changed over to an OHV park.
Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Doing pretty good.
Just need to see y'all's permits.
Yeah, sure.
Trail at?
I bought the map.
It'll list them all.
Will it show me where I'm at on the map too? I just need to do that. Okay, so
If you get the Windrock app,
let me start downloading that.
when you go to the store, they got Wi-Fi there. So
Okay, cool.
yeah, see, you got green trails, blue trails.
As being first-time guests of Windrock, we were a little intimidated by the area. We really didn't know where to go and where to start off first. My suggestion would be to download their digital map that they have available.
Go ahead.
You can buy a yearly membership or a weekly membership for about $10. Windrock does not have single directional routes, so you will have to be careful on the routes. Just make sure that you guys pay attention around these corners, because these side-by-sides will come up on you hot.
Ready? It's not. It'll get better. He said what the blue ones are easy. He's like maybe one little section that might be a little bit difficult, but you could do it. All right, let's go. You go first. When we go around blind corners, we gotta be careful, okay? All right,
I would say that the green routes really aren't for beginners and would more align with the lower end of intermediate. Some of the steep declines and inclines were kind of an issue for my little guy out here.
You can make that.
The smell of burnt plastic, fuel, and a little bit of forest fire was in the air. We found a burnt up side-by-side on this route.
You see that side-by-side was on fire? That's what they were loading up.
Our goal while we were out here is to find some of the most epic and scenic overlooks. The security at the gate said for a quick, awesome overlook, go onto the Route G2. Day 2, we're greeted by a little bit of overcast skies, but that didn't deter us from getting on the trails.
Are you okay with the rain? Are you sure? Okay.
Our goal today was to go a little bit further than we went the day prior, and to see if we can get a little higher up in altitude.
It could be just dust in there, brake dust, making that noise. All right. It's all right.
As the miles went on, we were getting tired, and our muscles were definitely getting a little bit more tired. For my son, this is the most amount of mileage he's ever put down in a single day.
What's up, guys? Look at all those people on the ridge out there.
That's not bad.
That's not bad.
After the G2 route, we headed back to our camper and decided, well, we still wanted to go ride a little bit. So I let the little man decide where we're going to go. We found a cool spot to do wheelies, so we kind of stayed there for a little bit.
Alright, let's go check it out.
The oil industry was predominantly pretty big in this area at one point in time. Now these oil rigs seem like a distant memory. This one appeared still to be in service.
No, but you want to look in it?
What? Don't drop your phone in there.
No.
As we finish up the route, we decide to go into the general store and grab some snacks so that we can enjoy it around the campfire tonight. The ultimate question that I kept asking myself after the end of this ride was, is this a good place for a beginner rider like my son? My answer would be, probably not. But that doesn't mean that this place is not good. This place is amazing. The views alone, the bonding, and the training that he learned on this bike were worth it alone. In my opinion, Windrock Park is more suited for Jeeps, side-by-sides, or more advanced riders, or maybe even intermediate riders. Appreciate every one of you guys joining me on this video. As always, we'll see you guys on the next trail. Vintage out.